I am an online tutor and I use Zoom or Google Meet to teach. But my online classes were ineffective because these are mainly video conference platforms not built specially for teaching and learning. So, it's difficult to keep my classes engaged, interactive, and organized. Sometimes, I end up using various other tools to share whiteboards, slides, files, quizzes, and announcements. But now, I use Link Classroom along with Zoom or Google Meet to have all the necessary tools which help me effortlessly teach online. I can share the link with students via Zoom or Google Meet and they can join from the same device with a single click. I get unlimited whiteboards to write, draw shapes, illustrate with images and equations, and do much more. I can teach with PowerPoints or PDFs, highlight and annotate on them seamlessly. I can teach while playing YouTube videos for students and being able to control it for the whole class. I can also know the understanding level of students by requesting anonymous feedback from them. I can give out polls, live quizzes, and share leaderboard with students to make my classes effective and fun. Course Planner helps me plan and deliver classes with a blended learning approach. I can even run my hybrid classes where students attending in person and joining online are both engaged with all these tools. After the class, I can share all the relevant study material like whiteboards, chats, files, links, and tests used during the class with all my students in a single click. With the help of Link Classroom live tools, I make my Zoom or Google Meet online classes a truly involved and enjoyable experience for all my students. And the best part is that you can take Link Classroom classes for free for lifetime. Visit the website now and start your free classes with a single click.